Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix HTTP error 503 in Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. Open up Chrome and click on three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. Select see all the data and permission. And type here the site are you getting this error. And select the trash icon next to it and select delete option. And now on left side select extensions. Turn off all the extensions you have. And now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view network status and task. Select web connection. Select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. In alternative DNS type 1001 and click on OK. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3 is to change the browser. You can use Edge as an alternative browser to Chrome. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.